Hello guys, today I have got the SONOS Era 100 and I'm going to show you how you can easily unpair or forget your SONOS Era 100 from your Android device. So actually the first thing that you need to do is to open the settings over here. Now, exclusively in Samsung you need to open connections and Bluetooth. In other devices, just select connect devices or just open Bluetooth. Here, tap this gear icon near your device that can be either connected or not. Tap Unpair here, Unpair again. It can be called either Unpair or Forget. Now, once you do that, you won't have this speaker in your devices list, and this speaker is now without the device paired. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.